tool. So what all options going to cover, which is Power BI basic concept, licensing term, application, navigation, and also we're going to cover the Power BI support application like the report builder, Power BI desktop gateway, and Power BI report server. That I'm going to cover in coming session. So what is the source? Source. So before going to source, I'll explain the data here. What the data is. What is the data? What is the data? First, what is the data? Data means whatever you're going to do in organization, you're creating a data. If you going to enter an organization, you are creating a data. If you are talking to someone in organization, you're creating a data. Like call center, they're talking to the customer, they're creating a data set. And talk about if you are in the sales industry, retail, HR, home. So everywhere you are creating a data. It means data is very important where you can easily survive. So without data modification and transparency, you cannot, we can say you cannot understand what exactly data is saying, what I am trying to do, that is very hard for you. So in this way, what you need to do, we need to, obviously no one going to give data as your, in your way. So the Power BI allow you to modify your data there as per need, as per your requirement, as per business, you can say business need, you can do that. So let me give you some examples so that you can understand, and then we'll move further. Okay. So talk about the, let's say I created the visualization for it previously, and I just create the simple dashboard. Without using any formula, I just created that. How does it look like? Obviously, it look like presentable or not? Yeah, it's definitely presentable because the way that I have arranged it is looking good. I know that different people have different opinion, so you can at least learn it, and that how should you create this kind of dashboard in within after 1-2 class you can understand and you can be able to do that same manner. Okay. So now. Let's move to this session 1 introduction part. So introduction part that I given to you, which is have a basic concept of the Power BI. So obviously, if you are going to any organization, any interview, they ask what the Power BI is. So what would you say? So let me give the Power BI concept here. So Google and type Power BI. What is the Power BI? Just type what is the Power BI. As per Microsoft, obviously we need to follow the Microsoft standard. So Power BI is a visualization, interactive and data visualization software, that product that allow to customer navigate and use their data as per your need. So Quora different definition, Microsoft, yeah, Microsoft has a definition. Okay, you always follow the Microsoft definition, not another user. Okay, so Microsoft is going to give the brief detail about that, and that is very important. And we can say Microsoft, it's everyone going to follow the Microsoft. So please follow the Microsoft. Okay. Now, so Power BI is unified scalable platform, self-services and integrate business intelligence, and connect visualization data source seamlessly, infuse the visuals into your every report. So that is the good best part of the Power BI, and it's easiest way to do that. Okay, so you can create this kind of dashboard in last of the session. Today's session you can do that. Okay, now basic concept means simple. You remember that Power BI is a visualization tool that allow user to interact with your report and share. You can share with your many clients and external internal users. Okay, what is the licensing term? So for licensing term, always follow the, okay, one thing I'll tell you, for Power BI have a documentation. So product overview, click on Power BI. See this, CRB start free. So in this link, you can go to app.powerbi.com or this way. So since I have already logged in, so you can, whenever you go to this link, it will ask user and password. So I'm going to paste in the chat. so that you can, whenever you watch a video, you will get it. app.powerbi.com. Okay, when you are a new user, okay, so you must go to this link and register with your organization email ID, and you will get a 60 days free license. And 60 days learning prospect is totally good. Don't worry, 60 days is sufficient for learning. So to this, what we need to do, we need to go to app.powerbi.com and then register yourself. Okay, go to the app. Are you able to see my screen? Hope you say yes and no in chat. Say yes in the chat. Please be attentive. Okay, so see this app.powerbi.com. Go to this link and you can, okay, in US organization, Monica, there are different links they might provided by the Microsoft, like we have a secure platform for the US intelligence people. US finance department, they have a different link, so don't worry. For global link, app.powerbi.com, that organization going to use it. So until unless they have a specific link they can provide to you, but by default link is app.powerbi.com. Go to the portal, register with your organization email ID. If you don't have, okay, if obviously you don't have, click on the new Power BI. After that, you can register yourself. If you register yourself, then follow the steps, get OTP and email ID, put in that. After that, going to log in and this way. You can see this screen, sign in. Then after, put the email ID, password that you have already, and then you see this logo. After that, this is the Power BI services where report we need to publish and use it. Okay, consumption prospect, this is a cloud platform of the Power BI. And then after, it has a many option that I can tell you one by one. So here I have a setting option, then you can visit to this link, but now it's coming here. Why should I not show? See this? I have my account. Give the user password. I didn't remember password. Let me try once again. Perfect. Logged in. And now this is the live screen you have. Okay, this is the Power BI portal. So now see this, here I have a home page. Hope you're able to see that. See, actually this PPT is old, so it's not correct. Okay, see this, here I have a setting option. Go to the right side, top right corner, 3 dots, notification setting, and setting we have managed personal storage. So see this, how much storage I have, how much consume that. Okay, then we have the here admin portal. Obviously I'm you owner of this group, so I'm everything of this group, you can say that. So that reason here have the all options there that you never see in your portal, because tenant access you don't have. So I have a tenant access as well, so I can at least, if you need questions, I'll try to answer question as well. Next, if you like, suppose I have in my workspace I have 125 reports. I wanted to track it, what is going on, so I can track by users matrix. Okay, if anyone asks that how would you track my Power BI workspace report, so you can create the users matrix report and you can do that. Next part is that, just understand, don't worry, I can explain everything, just giving idea what is it. Next part come to the Power BI desktop that going to work on the local desktop. Is a totally free, there is no cost for it. You can install a system. I'll let you know how to install. After that, we have a data gateway. It is allow you to interact with your server and your Power BI cloud. Means this cloud going to interact with your, paste your code to the server, copy the data, and again transport data. You can say data gateway is you transport data to database to Power BI services. That's it. It's going to work in the transportation part, transporting the data in one place to another place. Like suppose you have a car So you wanted to go to the Karnataka and Mumbai. So so you can do that. Okay. So you can do that. Wait 1 second, guys. Monica, can you hear me? Yes, yes. Okay, perfect. I don't know why. Maybe your voice is delayed. That's the reason. So okay. So let me, if in case in any hearing problem, just confirm in the chat, or maybe here Google chat too. Both are open for you, so that you can hear me. Okay. So now I wanted to install my Power BI. How would I install it? So there are two ways. We can say you go to the app.powerbi.com and it will provide the platform to install it. So but whenever you're going to click that Power BI desktop, let me show you an example to you. So just click on the Power BI desktop. See this. It is prompt to go to the Microsoft Store. So instead of going to the Microsoft Store indirectly, why do you not visit directly? So to save your time. So for this, you can type Microsoft Store here. MS Store, and skin is appearing now. Once appear, then obviously it will take a few seconds to install. So here you can type, come to the search box and type Power BI desktop. Okay. I do we can say share with the people. So obviously here you can see the install option. Okay, yeah, since I already installed it, so here saying the open, so display is going, so you can say click here open option. So instead of saying installation option, you can install it. Again come to here and type Power BI report builder. Power BI report builder. See this. This one you can install it in your system. This is important. Here you can see the install option. You can click and it will take a few seconds to install it. Okay. Use Android instead of using mobile app. You can use Android app because no one going to use window app here. Yeah, tablet and all that. That is different thing. But yeah, you can use it. Now, installation related any problem. So you can let me know. Definitely, I'll help it out. Okay. Next part is that my workspace. Okay, so my workspace, suppose we have the 200 300 reports. Okay, so how do you manage in Power BI Cloud? You can just publish it? No. So what you can do, you can just publish into the services, and after that you can use it. Monica, any doubt that I told you installation process? You confirm on WhatsApp as well if you need. Okay, no doubt. Okay, perfect. So, no, you have a doubt or not? That's my questions. Okay, perfect. So simple installation purpose. If in case any got a problem, let me know. I'll help it out. One last thing I'm going to tell you. If in case you're not able to install on the MS Store, then you must go to the google.com and type Power BI desktop. Okay, download. Click on that and go to the click first or second option, whatever suits for you. Click on that and see this. When you got a trouble or maybe problem, then you can go to this link, download link, and download that. Okay. Why it has given? Because sometime what happened, user not able to do that. So you can go to the advanced option and download that. See this, here I have option. You can download that. But I would not recommend to you, because if you install from the Microsoft Store, there are certain benefit that automatically get updated. When the recent update is coming, automatically get updated. That is going to benefit. Power BI data gateway. So gateway, we have a two-type gateway. Remember it. If you there are two-type gateway we have. One we have standard mode, and another I have a personal mode. So what is difference between them? Suppose I'm a company, okay, so I to install the standard mode where I can configure many database and I can control as per their business need. Talk about the personal mode is stored in a single system where can single system people can be interacted. Okay, here you can use multiple people can interact with it. So that is the difference between it is. But one thing remember, data gateway must be installed with the company process because it is going to copy your server data. That is a very crucial data server has, because server has HR, finance, sales, all data was there, employee information too. So GDPR is going on. So I would request whenever installing your Power BI gateway to your system, please follow the proper company policy so that you should not impact it of your job. Okay. Next part is that installation is done. Now, sometime customers say that I wanted to use paginated report, Power BI report builder, someone say that. Okay, everything is same. So report builder is Power BI report builder. Someone say report builder, someone say paginated report. So don't worry, it's the same thing. Mobile app, you know it, how to install. I don't have to tell you. Any problem, let me know. If installation any problem, get it. Okay. Now what happened? I'm using the Power BI data. I wanted to use my Power BI data. I mean the data that is published in the services. I wanted to use my desktop. How to do that? So if you wanted to use in Excel, so install this Access Analyzer at your system, download, install it, and you can use your Power BI consumer data at your system. Trained you that how to create the we can say workspace and what is the benefit, what all features he has. So let's cover it quickly. So here at the browse feature, so if suppose in the Nokia, so I cannot see at my Impresco, you can say Impresco portal report can be see, and I have to go to the Nokia link and log in it, then I can see that, otherwise not possible. So you can see only your report here, your internal reports, not external. Then if you report any like it, so click on favorite, here option, see this. Here we have option, this is make a star of it, and list is appear automatically. And which report is centrally used, you can see that. Okay. Now I wanted to manage the report. So obviously, for managing report, you need to we can say you need to follow the company policy and organization policy. So to this, see this, we have Power BI release updates. Okay, so here we have Power BI data I publish here. So see this, let me show the report. This is the Power BI report, okay, that I'm using it. And this is a testing purpose, not only a live report. It's testing, but I show you how to create the live report. So this is the report that I created that, and this is used by Power BI data and build it. Okay. So now the question for you that how to share the report with the consumers. Obviously, when we publish the report here, so how to consume that. So here is option share, and sharing in many way. I can explain later on when go to this situation, come to the situation. I'll do that. Okay. So just make you understand. So there are 4 applications I told you. One is, remember, Power BI desktop. First one, second one is Power BI report builder. Third one is data gateway, and fourth one is Power BI cloud. So this is the 4 application I told you. Now let's come to the here. I'll show you both up. This is the Power BI desktop, and let me show you the Power BI report builder. Meanwhile, you can try to download, register your portal, and do it if you let me problem. Not today and tomorrow, whenever you register yourself. Here I'm going to use the Power BI data set and going to build the report. See this. Since I don't have license, so obviously we need to wait for it. But yeah, here login is mandatory. Without login, you won't access it. So obviously it will prompt login if you don't log in it. Wait till load. Might be it's not updated. It may take a time. Don't worry, I have a 2 minute report. Okay, it give there. Don't worry, I have report. I can show you. Let me close it and let me minimize it. Go to the here. Come to the my business drive. Report. Pick up any of the report that we have. See this. We have 2 minute reports. This is the report builder. Yeah, report won't work here, but yeah, you can at least see this. How should I create that table in the see this. This is the report that I prepare in Nokia and share with the customers. See this. How long report is. See this. So okay, this is the you can say powerbi report builder, and it allows to export in Excel, and also you can subscribe, schedule time, your email sent to the respective person at their mailbox. Now today we are going to build the one dashboard. So then before finishing this introduction, so let me close it and talk about I created the folder for you, and I am going to paste all information in your folder, which is this, and you can access anytime, anywhere, whenever you want to connect. Okay, so let me save the copy at your place, and I'll let me share the access with you so that you can use it. If you don't consume, there is no benefit for me. Yes, just I pasted there. And data prospect, again you have a question that where should I get the data to practice it. Don't worry, I have all data, everything, an important link as well. Okay, so here you have a folder and open it. See this. So this has a too many models. So how should you connect that? So we can give the detailed training for it, but let me close it and Power BI. Open the fresh Power BI. How should you connect that? Let me know. I'll just let you know. To this, Monica, please correct your system ASAP, because this is not looks good for me. I don't like. At least communication is required. Without communication, my training is not good looking for me. Okay, now I just go to the you can say edit query. Okay, edit query transformation. Then we have the new source and copy the let's pick up the first part, Excel. So Excel prospect, come to the here, Power BI, financial sample, and click OK. See this. How easy to any dex voice will not come. That is a problem. Oh, I think your any dex was using your Mac, that is not able to use it. To close forcefully, then you might use it. Okay, so now see this. We can say I load the data now. I wanted to use the link that I given to you, this one. So data link, how should I do that? So to this, go to the OD database feed, OD feed. I'll tell you how to find which option you're going to use it. Data will link and data will provide the idea that how should I link it. This is the open platform. You can download anytime, whenever you want. Okay, that's the best part is that. Okay, so you see these too many tables we have. Okay, so you can use it even if you want. So let me use the order table, order and this. So here you can load the data. I successfully loaded within a second. Close and apply. Just loading the data. It will take I think less than a minute. So what happened? You must go to the close and apply in transformation field so that you can Power BI is going to import all data in your system, and it will it will show data in your tab. Okay, so I'll tell you where you can see that. Let me load that first. Actually, I have to load one table, but yeah, my mistake loaded three. So won't take much time, but yeah, it will take a few seconds. Wow, perfect. Thank you so much. And let's save the data into the folder. Data sets. You can try it using as well. Candidate folder and save it. Okay. I'll grant access to you so you can use at your system and even download it as well. Use and download, consume, no problem. Now, I wanted to create the dashboard. No, don't worry about it. Excel is not needed. You just go to the here. Let me grant the access immediately to you. Share link. Don't worry, you will get this video. You can watch, start doing twice, you can understand, okay? Next session will take day after tomorrow, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow will take it. So that you can actually have a time. When once 1 week will do that, later on we'll do earlier. Next we have the we can say logo. Let's add that. So PFL doc, final logo. This is my logo I have, okay? So now I change it to the size. Okay, I change the size, but the problem is that this large size icon I don't need that. I need a small size icon. So just select any corner and just adjust that as per your requirement. And now paste here and then adjust that. One problem here. If I leave as like that, go to the front it and select bring to front. Format and just select OK. See this, their format option is not there. Okay, so you can select in the image, then go to the format and then bring to front and click this option. So automatically if you click here, then click come on top, it will display always. Okay, next I want when my report is refreshed, I want you to check whether my report is refreshed or not, because I know my data is going to change every 2 hours. So if it is not updated, what is the benefit for me? There is no benefit for me. So what I need to do, I need to check the time whether my report is updated or not. So to this, sorry, to this, going to add the column here. Refresh date and time. There is a function called now. Sorry. See this, what is the time right in the system? 8:03 p.m. 8:03 p.m. date, everything is correct. Now, how should I, if I change, how should I change it? Let's check, is this changing or not? So right now 8:03, here 8:31. So let's change the 4, then we'll refresh it. Meanwhile, let's create the, how should I display it? So here I have a card visual, okay, click on that. Pass the column that I have. See this, it will display like this. I could not take much space that it has. Okay, this is taking a lot of space here. So if you wanted to adjust that, there's a many way you can do that. Yeah, depend on the customer. Format your visual in visualization pane. Come to the format your visual. Click on that. Call value. Okay, each visual have their own we can say format options. Okay, don't worry, you can try to learn one by one. We will doing every day. I don't want to see the label. I don't want to see label. I don't want. Okay, now this time I want you to adjust it. Okay, so we are not going to do manually. We are going to do we can say in system. So I wanted to change the height. So height should become 100. But 100 is too, we can say OBS is too large. Now come to the 50. Still have a lot of space here, so come to the 45. Okay, let's change to 30. That looks good. Now we have built, we have 1218. we will going to change to the 200. Okay, but yeah, it will be much smaller, so let me 210, so that it has a more space and it will view can be changed. Don't have to do manually, you can do the manually as well, and you can do the general property size, height and width. You can change the position, even you can change the position too by checking this. Horizontally is 0 and vertically 172 we have. So I want vertically should become, horizontally should be changes to the 200. 10. Let's select that. Okay. Let's select it. Come to the general property position. So see this. I just wanted to show you. Once you click it coming here, so I'm going to do directly here. 1055. So if you change that, it will automatically reach above. And now I wanted to change to the here so that I can display whenever I want. Same thing I'm going to do here too. Let me check is this changing or not. Let's save it and refresh it. What is your guess? What should happen? Just give me the comment. Is this going to change or not? Definitely will take 1 minute. Say this exact timing is coming 7:30 seconds. So the timing means whenever report is going to refresh, it will automatically change the date and time. Let me know if any question, any doubt. Definitely try to answer your questions. Next part is that I wanted to create the filter so that user can check it. So let's do one filter, then we change it to the one by one. Let's select country. Let's select country. Okay, this is called slicer. It is a visual and it has a many feature it we have as per your data. So let me show you. Just I selected the tax value. See this, what all option is coming. So come here and see the slicer vertical list. See this is a vertical list. Now to change to the title. So see this is title and this is drop down. Okay, this is drop down we have. Now see this is the option that I'm going to change that. Okay, if in case you don't want to see the header and you want to add a title your own, so go to the here and paste. If you're looking for a name, special name, you can pass it as well. Let me show you. Let's delete the Y to show you. So see this. Now I want to add the country, but if you select this one, automatically name will appear here. But I don't want to display here. Let's close it. I wanted to add my own title here. So enable title. Go see this option as country, CUNTRY, country. Okay, and I wanted to modify that. Okay, so let's change the header to, I wanted to change the Arial black, size should be 16, color should be white, background color should be orange color. So see this, the change has been made. Now I wanted to more customize it. So how should I do that? Effect, background color should be same and transparency should not required. Let's change the black color to some other color so that looks can be much better than that. Shadow, I wanted to give shadow should be color should be I think light blue. I'm not sure about the color name. So inside, see this how looks is going to change if you select this one. Okay, so now looks is going to change this one. Even you can adjust here. So now I want to keep it here. Now same visual, I'm going to select that and give the how should I react this. This time I wanted to go to the past to the date here. See this is going to behave differently. Slicer setting, we have too many options. Vertical list, you know what the vertical list is. Then we have the title, it look like this. Then we have the before and after. Obviously sometime needed starting cannot be changed, only you can change the last one. Sometime you need to change first, you cannot change the last. Sometime we're looking for the both all data, they could do that. And relative date, so relative date we have the last, and we have 1 and 2 month, you can select that. Then after we have the days, week calendar, month, year, and year calendar. Okay, so this one we have the, is going to be a totally different, and the different data different behavior it has. So you must check which option is relevant to you according to your selection, and you same that previously have. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, format painter, and just paste here. See this, what is the benefit of it. One thing is missing here, which is header. So header prospect, I'm going to just enable it and change this color to white. See this. Next part is that country. I'm just going to do it immediately so that we have all information here. Say month name. Same you can try. Let me know if you're not able to do that. I'll help you out. Okay. Even you can watch segment we have, and then last we have copy and paste. Last we have discount bank. Okay. Remove the segment. And see this, each one have a same header, which I don't want. So to this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop the title. Instead of this, I wanted to use the visual slicer header and change it to the font color should be white everywhere. White color. But yeah, must stop the, you can say, header, title. Arial black, Arial black. Okay. So instead of country, I must select the month name. Any doubt, just let me this title. I don't want to see the title next. And come to the here, select white color, and it should be to the Arial black. Okay. Now after segment we have a discount bank. Pasting that, stop the title and do white color and Arial black. Oh, perfect. Last one it not change. So last one we have the Arial black and it. So we have all filter has been added. I'm creating very basic layout dashboard so that you can understand. Okay. Now I'm going to use only single visual today so that you can learn and do practice that I'm doing. So I want to see total sales by country and by product too. So let's select first visual. I wanted to use the total sales. Okay. So country and total sales. So I want to see total sales. And by product also I want to see that. So how should I do that? By select here product, okay, by legion. So this data is going to divide by product by each category. You can even change this and change your visualization too. Next, any doubt, ask me immediately. Okay. Next we have okay, sorry, I have to change this one, not looks much better for me. So yeah, this one can understand. Even you can change this one too. Here we have a different layout. I don't want to see the title of the axis, I remove that. But if you want to do that, yes, you can do, even type something else if you want. But countries looks good for me. Next, if you wanted to give the font color, go ahead and do it. Next, y-axis, you can select the range if you want, minimum and maximum range, value, title. So title we don't just hide it. I don't want to give the title here. See this, I don't have title. Now if I want to enable it, total sales, okay? Country and total sales are there. So it looks good for me. I don't want to disable it. Now I want to see the all data of respective tabs. So just remember the data label. Data label, and then we have the columns, or if you want to give any specific colors you can do that. And so let me change the color for it, and to this I am going to type here Google or BI color data will is a website that I'm very happy on this website. To be honestly, this website provides great colors that I generally use it. You can say my 99% report I'm using this color. This theme is very important. I would request please use this one too. Okay. Pick up any color, which one you like. So let's pick up this one, okay, little darker color. So let's pick up first one. I want you to give the color. So click on color, choose to have, okay. Next one is that. Okay. Next we have black, but I don't like black. If not fill, then I'll do that, okay. Next, this color, okay. Only your formatting is going to change a lot, nothing else. And I'm sure color prospect you have more knowledge to me. I'm sure about that. And then after we are going to use this color. Next is that this color. I think yeah, this one is good. It looks good for me, and I don't have any problem to it. Okay, see this. This is going to change your layout. So let me do more formatting here. And always when you're going to create the dashboard, keep patience too slowly each steps, okay. We added everything here. You can try all option, okay. Don't scared, nothing is going to impact, okay. You try all option, then go to general property. You can adjust your size if needed. Then after I wanted to use the everything looks good for me. Now come to the title. I wanted to see the total sales by country and product. Obviously naming convention is very important for everyone, everywhere. Black, white. Then I wanted to pass the any color that you like, okay. So since I have same color, why should I not use it? See this looks better. Now see this, it's totally touched here, which I don't want, okay. I want some spaces here so that looks can be better. And see this, it doesn't come inside. So let's click every slicer, and I want to become in shape. So here come alignment to left, all slicer, and distribute vertically so that all have the same space and everything. See this, it come in center, so there is no difference, okay. Next, like size is big compared to your other, okay. Perfect. Effect. If you wanted to give the little black color, so its look can be much better than that, okay. If you want to still reduce transparency, yes, you can do that, don't worry. Yeah. And after that, change the background. Visual border should be this, and shadow should be there. Shadow should be give another color, whatever color you want to select inside. See this. and bottom right color and left. Oh, if you give the outside, see how it does look like. This is not looks much better. This one is looks good. Yeah, that's the option we have. And see this, just save it. Now I want you to use in particular date range. So last 1 year data I want you to see only. Last 1 year. So data range is 4/1/2022 to 4/23 because we don't have data in this duration. We have a last duration is 2014. See this, we have a 2014 last data, so that doesn't appear there. Let me select the manual range here. I want you to see last 23, so 10-year data. See this, it's coming now. So obviously, or maybe 5 year. Let's check how much. Doesn't come anything. Okay. I want you to see the last this year. So this year means first to 23 to 2023. So that don't have a data, we cannot see anything. Let's clear the all filters here. Next, I want you to select the particular country data. I can do that as well. Okay. See this. Next, I want you to select the specific month data. I can do that as well, and I check if I need. Segment, I want to see the segment. I can check the segment, particular segment